Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use DateTimePicker with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. And I'm also going to show you how you can format the string which you get from the DateTimePicker to your custom string or custom date and time. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, obviously I'm going to take a DateTimePicker. So I will drag and drop this DateTimePicker control from this toolbox. Plus I'm going to take a button and I'm going to take a text box. Okay, and I will change its text of this button as format, and now I will just change the font size so that you can see them clearly. Bold and 18. Okay, now everything is done. Now just double click this button, and in here I will write text box 1 dot text is equal to date time picker 1, which is the name of your date time picker control, dot text. Okay, and what this will do is it will literally transfer all the text from this date time picker to the text box. Let's see what the result is. So I have this program, and when I click this format button, it transfers the date and time, or only whatever you can see here, the day and the date and the month and your year. It will transfer it here. So it will literally transfer this date here. Now suppose you want to show the date and time also to your text box using your date time picker. Just change this code to date time picker dot value, and when you run the program once again, and when you click this format, it will show you the date and it will show you the current time, right? So this is the long format of the date and time, right? And sometimes you only want to show the date using your date time picker. So how you can do it? Just add to this code dot short date string. Okay, and now when you run the program and when you click this format button, it will only show you the date. In the same way, you can only show the time by just changing the code to short time string and run the program, and now it will show the time. Now sometimes you want to custom format your output from the date time picker. So what you can do is, I will just delete this code and I will write format, and then in this format I will write the name of my date time picker dot value, and the second argument I will pass here as a string what I want, or what format I want this date to be. So I will just give double quotes, and for example I want to show the dates in the format like year first, and then the month, capital M, and then the day. Okay, and now when I run the program and when I click this button, it will show me the date in the format first the year, then the month, and then the date, right? You can also change this character in between whatever character you want to use. For example, I want to use this dash instead of slash, and when I run the program and when I click this, it will show this slash here. Or you can use dot also, or whatever you please to do. Okay, so now I'm using comma instead of dash or minus sign, and when I run the program it will also show the date in the same format. So in this way you can format your output from which you are getting from your date time picker in the desired format you want. So in this way you can use DateTimePicker using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for